A big breaking update coming in connection to the sexist remark against actress Kangana Ranaut and also the BJP candidate from Mandi. Delhi Cops will now be probing Congress's Supriya Shrinet. Delhi Cops will be probing the derogatory post that was made against Kangana Ranaut. In fact, the Delhi LG has directed the cops to verify Supriya Shrinet's claims. In fact, she had claimed that this was a post that was not made by her. It was made by someone who had access to her account. Now, BJP's Bansuri Swaraj is the one that has lodged the complaint with the LG, and the LG has also now sought a report from Delhi CP as well. So this is the sexist remark route that is now escalating, blowing up. In fact, the Delhi cops will be probing this entire matter and trying to understand, trying to get the details of this. In fact, Tejshri joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Tejshri, this was, of course, a political remark which it seemed like earlier, and now this is now blowing up into a full-scale controversy. And on the other hand, the Delhi cops are also now involved and they will be probing Congress's Supriya Shrinet. Give us more details as to what will be the exact thing that they will be probing, and also what are the claims that are coming in from Supriya Shrinet at this point.
Well, certainly, let us talk about, first of all, the claims that Supriya Shrinet has made. She, first of all, said that it was not she who had posted that, who had made that particular post. Number one, it was made by someone else. Number two, and number three, the access of her account is to other people as well. Now, talking about the latest development is LG has sought an action in this entire matter. LG has written to Delhi Police Commissioner and has sought an investigation in this entire episode, where he has also mentioned about the letter written by Bansuri Swaraj. In fact, this letter was written by the BJP leader Bansuri Swaraj, who wrote to LG mentioning that FIR should also be filed in this entire matter. This post is a matter of a deep concern, because it is about outraging the modesty of women. So this was the content of the letter that was written by Bansuri Swaraj to LG. Now let us talk about what LG wrote to Delhi Police Commissioner. LG has sought a scientific investigation. LG has written that investigate in this matter so as to how the post was deleted, which mobile phones were used, when the post was made, and was it somebody else who posted, or was it posted from Supriya Shrinet's mobile. So now we'll have to see that what Delhi Police and how Delhi Police in fact investigates in this entire matter. Will the FIR will be filed in this entire matter, and how Supriya Shrinet, the Congress leader, responds or defends herself in this entire episode.